Law's a difficult subject. It's like a giant jigsaw that you're putting together, not necessarily knowing in which direction it's going or what the end result's going to be. It's only when you finish the jigsaw and you step back and you look at the whole thing that it makes sense, and law's very much like that. It's difficult for a student to embark on legal studies knowing exactly what they're doing, but what I can do is I can attempt to try and help them step back and to view everything. And with my experience, I've been through this for myself, and then I've been through it year after year with students for the last 10 years. I was a lecturer for 4 years, and then I decided to do this for myself privately. I enjoy teaching, I always have done, and I enjoy passing that knowledge on, but then at the same time I'm learning on a daily basis. I learn new things every day. I read about new cases every day, which you wouldn't necessarily do if you were in a specialised practice. But I practice as well to vary my diary. I like to go to court, so I give students the whole range. I mean, I'm a practicing lawyer at the same time, I'm an academic at the same time, I'm a law tutor. And I'm quite laid back, so I get on with all of my students. I don't necessarily take on everyone, but all of my students are long-term. I teach all the core subjects, all the commercial subjects, from the BTPC, which is a barrister's course, to the LPC, which is a solicitor's course, to the master's degree, all the way up to PhD. So I do the whole range of things. The thing I enjoy the most is the thing I can't do. So if there's something which is difficult for me, I enjoy it, and being able to get a result from that. A client may well have a good case, but ends up losing it because they just don't know what they're doing. They're lay people who are bringing their own case. It's exactly the same thing when I went to court on Tuesday. The case was about, it's important to get some sort of legal tuition or one-to-one guidance, because universities don't actually teach students how to study law. You sit in a lecture and you're given an assignment. You've got to take it upon yourself to teach yourself these skills to perform and to get the best grades. Law is becoming very competitive. The market's saturated, there's not enough jobs. So you've got to show that you are actually a cut above the rest. The way you do this on paper is by your results, the university you've been to and the results. This is where I can help. I can give you those key skills and make you understand how to study law effectively. Is a Kafka's worker the right person to decide that the kid is, at 7 years old, clued up enough about whether to change his name or not? No. Court of Appeal says no, they're not. The students that I take on are long-term students. It's people that I want to help shape their legal career. It's important that I actually bond and get on with the student that I'm teaching, because I'm going to be spending a lot of time with them. And I just don't have the time to teach everyone. So I'm selective. If I can see someone is dedicated and needs my help and is appreciative of that, then I'm more than happy to help. We'll pencil a session first of all. It's always a good idea to have a session with a tutor before you decide on making a booking, and that's how it starts, and we go from there.